Yo, what's going on guys? I'm the Ecom boss, and in today's video you guys are definitely gonna learn something new. How you can make $100,000 this summer. I'm gonna go over ways to dropship. I'm gonna show you guys a golden product that you guys can dropship right now to make a lot of money. And this is not just one of the gurus videos saying top 10 products to dropship right now. Nope guys, that's not the case here. I'm gonna show you guys one product, how you can brand it successfully, how you can stand out, how a lot of other people can run it with you as well. But not only just that product. We're gonna go over everything in general. It's not only gonna be based on that product. It's more like a layout. I could call it maybe a small little course on how to make $100,000 this summer. So we should just get straight into it, to be honest. Also guys, I'm planning on a move. I gotta say guys, I'm moving to Vegas, gonna be in LA as well, but I'm moving to Vegas the 7th of July. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna meet up there, gonna live with my buddy Scrubs. And if you guys don't know him, I'm posted a lot about him on my Instagram. I can link his Instagram down here. But we're gonna do so much crazy stuff when we get up there. We're gonna get a house in the hills, we're gonna be in Las Vegas, we're gonna have a good time. I'm even planning on inviting some of you guys watching my channel right now to the Hollywood Hills, and I'm gonna teach you guys live completely for free. So if any of you guys live in California, just make sure you hit me up. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So what I'm planning on bring my PC, my Mac, my phone, obviously everything, and then just making the move. It's the 7th of July. It's gonna be super cool. It's definitely official now. So just look forward guys. We're gonna get daily uploads, gonna do vlogs, Lamborghinis maybe. We're gonna do so much valuable stuff with Ecom. We're also trying to build a million dollar brand with my buddy Scrubs. So without further ado, into the video we go. But guys, if you want to get into my coaching program now, I currently have 2 spots left. I open up some new ones. It's been a massive success. So if you want to get in and get your life changed, you can message me on Instagram here as well. John Attics, you want a consulting call, you message me. My Instagram is here again. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bring you guys inside of my computer. But first of all, in this video, you can copy what I'm doing. It can definitely work. I'm planning on doing this with a couple of people in my coaching. We're aiming towards at least 100K. So you guys, you can either copy what I'm doing, or the smartest thing you guys can do is just think around it. Use this video to just pick my brain, honestly. Pick my brain on things you can do this summer, how you can do it. But that doesn't mean you have to sell the exact product I'm gonna reveal for you guys now in 2 seconds. But just think like me, sort of get into my mindset, how we do it. You can find your own product, right? But I'm gonna just say my strategy now, and you guys or work around it, because I think we could share a lot of money with this. Okay guys, here we go. So what we're gonna plan on doing now, and not me personally but people in the coaching, because I'm gonna be a little bit busy moving to the States and everything, so I'm not planning on opening a new store for my own. I'm just gonna keep running what I do, keep making good money. I'm not gonna start anything new until I've settled up there, which is gonna be July the 7th. It's gonna be awesome. But this is what I'm planning on doing in coaching. At least we're gonna sell sunglasses. So there are a couple of ways to do this guys. You could try to sell like boss sunglasses, you know, looks like a boss. You could try to sell sunglasses in general, just looks like this, you know, big like butterfly sunglasses for women, because believe it or not, or you already know, women go crazy over these sunglasses. So what I would do if I were you guys, set up a niche store. Look at this one as well. This thing is cool. It looks kind of like a boss, right? So people want to look cool, they buy into this. I mean, I'm just browsing right now, but these things actually look cool. I mean, if my girlfriend were to use them, I'd probably not think it's that cool, but you know, you guys get where I'm going, right? So set up a sunglass brand, and that brand, it could be whatever guys. Just the most important thing is, if we say we're going with sunglasses, you guys should definitely set up a niche store, right? You don't want to run a one product store. But I usually like to run general stores, okay? Don't get me wrong at all. I love general stores, but when coming to Halloween, maybe Christmas, but especially these sunglasses, I would highly recommend setting up a niche store for these sunglasses. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna show you, I think it was last year or the year before's top sunglasses that sold like crazy. Here you guys go. These are sunglasses that did super well last year. I'm not saying the exact supplier here guys, but these wooden sunglasses like this one, I mean honestly it looks cool. I mean I'd rather just rock my normal sunglasses, but I mean still, this is cool, and it's actually something consumers will buy. So what you guys can do, set up a brand, maybe get in touch with the supplier. I'm not saying you have to do this, but you can get in touch with the supplier, maybe see if you can get like a 7-day shipping. You make a brand, you do everything that I'm gonna tell you guys in a couple of minutes when it comes to Instagram, social media, gathering followers, everything. I'm gonna give you guys a strategy in that as well. But set up a brand like this guys. These are the wooden sunglasses, maybe not the exact same one, but these wooden sunglasses did insane last year, and they did super well the year before as well. So now guys, I'll probably not jump on these sunglasses. I would rather find the new types of sunglasses, right? But these things are actually cool, and they could sell like crazy guys. So what I mean by this video is that you don't actually have to sell sunglasses. I just want you guys to understand where I'm going. This could be just a beach product. I mean, it could be a swimming product. It does not matter. But just make sure you find something that's super summer related, and it doesn't have to be sunglasses. So the next step now is, if you want to sell this, you don't have to. I'm not big on social proof, but I could recommend you guys maybe already start branding now. Start gathering some followers, they could be fake, whatever. Start posting some content on your Instagram page. Make sure you put out some content there so people can see the brand is legit, and already set up your store. Focus a little bit on the social proof in the beginning. Make sure you get a good niche store, because that's what's going to be key, guys. Super important to get a super nice niche store that people actually feel it's trustworthy. Also, guys, these sunglasses, you might be advertising one of them, but people gonna buy the other ones as well. So make sure you got descriptions on all of them, and that goes if you're not selling sunglasses either. That goes in a jewelry store too. Also, guys, high quality pictures is key here. And when you're gonna run Facebook ads for a product like, for example, sunglasses, I recommend running carousel ads. That means the people can scroll through to see different pictures from your store, right? So you can show more products in one ad. So definitely run carousel ads, also run normal picture ads. You definitely do not need a video for this product. But however, you guys do it how you want to. Just pick my brain on this, okay? So let's say we were to sell these sunglasses. We buy them for $8. So a reasonable price, honestly, to begin with. I would sell them for $21.90. If $21.90 works on Facebook, you could sell them up to $24.90. $24.90 works, go to $29. And then the end point, the maybe ideal point, is to build a brand that could actually sell them for $39 to $49, which is totally doable. But always when we're running Facebook ads, I tend to just start a little bit slow with the price, and then obviously increase it super quick if it works. However though, guys, what you can do also is to get into influencers. If you get the right influencers, like you guys don't have the money for that, obviously, who would have money for that? But if you got Kylie Jenner to use these sunglasses, your store make $1 million or something. So you could definitely work with influencers. It could be a super good idea. Obviously, I really like Facebook, but you could work with influencers too. It's a cool thing. You're more flexible with this kind of brands, right? Also, next thing, you want to sell this, you want to brand it. Have a branded name in your store, a branded logo. This could be the next teeth whitening company for whatever you guys know. Just it's not teeth whitening. You guys get where I'm going. Yeah, like Dream Glasses, for example. That's a good name of a branded type of sunglasses, which I could recommend you guys to do. But the first thing you guys want to do, gather followers, gather content, push out content every single day for your Instagram page, and just keep going with that. Once you've done it for a short amount of time, start running Facebook ads. You could test it. However, if you're gonna run sunglasses, don't target sunglasses and stuff like that. Just go completely general with your interest. If I were to sell sunglasses right now, I would target TikTok, because I would try to hit, like, 20-year-old girls, maybe even younger. So just target completely random and nonsense stuff if you want your sunglasses to run good. Highly not recommend targeting fashion sunglasses, because people that's interested in that will buy from actual real brands. But on the branding perspective, guys, get your store branded logo. The color scheme is gonna be perfectly fine. We'll probably throw in some beach vibes. I mean, that's what you guys can do, right? That's just how people make bikini brands, which is kind of hard to sell on Facebook. People make sunglasses brands. You guys do your thing. It doesn't have to be sunglasses, but you guys get where I'm going. So if you do this, guys, and you make sales, if you hit right with the sunglasses, I had a guy in the coaching hit big with it. If you hit big with the sunglasses, it's gonna be super easy to make 100K a month. I'm obviously talking revenue now, but that, if you have 50% margin, that's 50K a month anyways. But it's like not hard. So what I'm trying to say with this video is, like, this could be your shortcut to dropshipping results for real. This could be your shortcut to sick results, because you could just jump on the sunglasses. It's not going to be a 1 in 10 test, most likely. I'm not guaranteeing anything, but you should probably see a winning product super quick, as long as you test like cool sunglasses. So what I would do, scroll a little bit on Instagram, see what celebrities using, see if you can replicate it, trying to find some sunglasses that could actually be trendy, like either it looks like you're the boss, or it's like super big sunglasses. But though, guys, I highly recommend targeting women compared to men if you're going to sell these sunglasses, because men would probably not buy it. That's just from what I've seen. We just want to target women that watches TikTok and everything, and want to have some cool sunglasses for the summer. Guys, look at this. I was just scrolling down here. I mean, I don't know if this is true or not. It's most likely true, but just see, this is super small. How I made $8,800 dropshipping sunglasses. I mean, it's not a lot of money, but just you can see it's possible, right? Guys, just look at this store. From my perspective, it looks like a dropshipping store. So let's just inspect it. This is super cool, guys. You can just hold over the sunglasses and you can see the price. I mean, this thing, I just searched sunglasses store, so this one is obviously super SEO optimized. I'm not saying that's going to be you guys, but this store definitely makes a ton of money. So we can see, I'm probably going to women, to be honest. Here we have, oh yeah, look, we have all these different things. This is not a dropshipping store anymore. This is a real brand, but you guys just look what they're doing, right? Here we have all the sunglasses. This thing looks cool. You run some Facebook ads to it, it could take off. That's the coolest part of it. And yes, this is not a dropshipping store, but just you get where I'm going. You definitely want to have a store that really stands out. And this store is a 10 out of 10. It stands out. This store just looks super professional. That's what you guys want to aim for. Anyways, guys, it's going to be it for today's video. I hope you find it valuable. The goal of this video was not to just put out the simple strategy. It's more for you guys just to sort of like start to get in the mindset of me. When I see something, how I find it to be cool, how I think around it, how I think about branding. Just think like me. That's what I'm trying to get you guys into doing. Because if you can think like a successful dropshipper, you can make anything happen. And I believe you guys actually can make everything happen. So if you're young, you're following your dreams, just go out, make it happen, try to change your life. And if you have not seen, 2 days ago, I posted a Facebook ad strategy. You're going to follow my strategy here. I'll link my how to make 100k a month with Facebook ads, which is not too hard either. I'll link that in the description. Definitely go make sure you check that one out, watch the whole way through, because if you're planning on doing these things, you gotta watch the strategy. It's like super good. So guys, this is gonna be it. If you guys have any video suggestions, I would really do appreciate it, because I'm running a little bit low on the ideas now. So if you could drop one, that would be awesome. And make sure you go in, you like this video, you could drop down, you click subscribe, and you'll be seeing me in tomorrow's video. Peace.